seen that I wanna shut up and they got it. Don't think I'm the hottest shit, watch how I pop. Wasn't good with the green, I been watching they profit, start rapping now. I done took off like a
Perfect. Perfect. All right, guys, so we're out here at the once small gap.
Once biggest gap, but now it's
We
like...
might have gotten a little carried away with this one. It's just like a few feet.
Dude, this thing is massive. Like, actually, like... You got this...
Don't look at it. This is gonna be revolutionary for the channel.
The steep odd lip.
Holy frick, bro. Look at the case pad.
It's so big. And then bam. It's like crazy. Grant's gonna get first hit though, right?
Yeah.
He has to get locked in.
Getting some packing action and pre-run. Oh, there's Eli on the bike. Honestly, compared to the last one, this isn't too bad. Like, it looks really big, but it just gotta send it, you know. All right, we're gonna hit a little sneaky run before Eli comes. So we'll just don't tell him. Don't tell him. Hey, that looks fine.
Oh, I destroyed the lip, bro.
Oh. Yikes. Never mind, Eli's coming, so we're not going to do that. So, it's going to be sick. Hey, Grant. Remember, there's no speed limit. Just send it, bro.
Smooth.
That was so easy.
Yeah, I look easy. I think we need to work on that again.
That's out the jump right now. Got Gramps working on the darting jump. We're gonna do the same maneuver to this one, or to that one as we did to this one.
Yeah. Then we're gonna get some sick clips.
We're spicing up this jump now.
There's a little problem. It's kind of facing that way, but it's getting better.
It's getting better.
And then the landing is, I just gotta pack it down.
We need to push that over there. Huh? We need to push this side back to it. This is rotated.
At least it's straight.
Kind of.
Not really. I think we need to like pull this up or something. Yeah, I think that's good.
Grant's about to hit this. It's pretty packed down. I mean, I'd say it's pretty low. But we'll get that and then we'll hit some sick, awesome action clips. Yeah. Let's do it.
What they said. JBL collab.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna rip a few laps around the track. We got the two new babies crossed out because we want to let them dry. The lips are a little bit soft right now, but we're gonna rip around. So, we'll see what happens. guys, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you liked it. It's kind of a different style, more relaxed, less planned out. Probably
That's about it.
500 subs for summer, end of summer. We're
Right.
changing it because we do
Yeah.
not have 500 subs.
Yeah.
But we need to get 500 subs. So
It's just one button.
Yeah, we're at 340.
make sure you like the video as well.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.